प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी परीक्षा पे चर्चा कार्यक्रम में जोगदे देश विदेश आसिथिबा छात्र छात्री शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री एवं अभिभावकों सह आलोचना करिसेंती। परीक्षा तथा छात्र जीवन रे पिलांको उपरे चाप अभिभावकों आभिमुख्य एवं शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री भूमिका संपर्क में से सुंदर भावे अभिज्ञता रखिछंती। ए कार्यक्रम को कटक केंद्रीय विद्यालय छात्र छात्री भी देखिबा सहित या द्वारा अनुप्राणित होइछंती। आसंतु देखिबा कार्यक्रम संपर्क में कौन रही छात्र छात्री और शिक्षकों प्रतिक्रिया।
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री परीक्षा पे चर्चा कार्यक्रम रे केवल जो पिलामानन को परामर्श देले ताहा नुहे, अभिभावक शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री समस्त सहित आलोचना कले एवं कथा छल अनेक कथा से कहले। आमे कटक केंद्रीय विद्यालय रहीचु, पिला माने अछंती, शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री अछंती, सीधा सड़क आलोचना करिबा केमती रहिला प्रधानमंत्री पूरा 1.5 घंटा।
I am Simon Tripathi, a student of class 9 of Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Cuttack. I am very overwhelmed as well as complacent and satiated with the lectures given by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji that poured into my arteries and nerves and propagated throughout my body. I am completely satiated as Narendra Modi has highlighted many points, and some of the points that I want to highlight is that the technology regarding dealing with the examinations, that means treating examinations as if they are festivals and they will come, they will approach us in different time intervals, so no need to fear, no need to get frightened of those examinations. Now my examinations is also coming. I am getting prepared for those examinations with full attend, without disheartened. And
yeah, I will also agree to that. I am a student of class 9B. My name is Shreyan Mishra. I am a student also of class KV number 1 Cuttack. We class 9 students deal with a high pressure because we always get to know that we are in class 9, and which is the base for all the challenges which we are going to face ahead. What I liked about this whole program was that in this Modi talked about how to deal with this pressure, and also the technologies which are coming out, the new apps which are making students addicted to it and making us less attracted to studies.
How do pressure asuji?
I think we get pressure from our parents, teachers as well as our peer groups. According to me, the most pressure is from parents and teachers because they have a more expectation from us. Because if we get something more ambitious in life, then that is well-being for those who inspired us. Hence, I think the influence of the teachers and parents are the most.
पूर्व समय ए समय भितर कौन भिन्नता देखा जाउछि जे एभली कार्यक्रम आवश्यकता रहुछि पिलामानन?
आजिकल पिलामाननकर कौन होछि गोटे प्रेसर रोचे पेरेन्ट्स मैंने जदि अभिभावक चाहूँगी मो जीवन में यहाँ हो पारे मो पिलाटा देखा चाहिए कि से पेरेन्ट्स मैंने देखा कथा मो पिलार पोटेंशियलिटी कौन अच्छी। गोटे पिला को सब आम भावानी 90 जन प्रधानमंत्री आज कहले गोटे पिला 60 ରୁ 65 रखिले तार जो परसेंटेज ऑफ हाइक कि गोटे पिला 90 ରୁ 92 रखिला परसेंटेज हाइकटा से प्रथम आम देखिए पिलाटा को 60 ରୁ 65 करवा 65 70 तेणु ताकू गोटे सीढ़ी चढ़ला बेले गोटे गोटे स्टेप अनुसार चढ़ेवा से अनुसार हेले आउ गोटे कथा भल कथा प्रधानमंत्री कहले वी हैव टू कम्पीट विथ आवर सेल्फ। आम काली जोटा थिलु आज चेष्टा करूँ काली ठू आम आगू बढ़ू न कि मु काली थी 60 रे मोर पड़ोशी धर 90% अच्छी मु गोटे दिन 90 पहुँची पारि मु 60 ରୁ 90 जीवाटा जो मत अनुभूति लगे जो खुशी पाइब गोटे दिन में सेटा हो पार नहीं।
किछि पली चाप बा ये सब जिनस रहउछि ना भलो लागिला पूरा कार्यक्रम?
Yeah, it was a great pleasure to meet Sri Narendra Modi ji, but I think the most conversation that we get, that the comparisons that we generally get from the parents, that she is better than you in the marks, but that should not be there. We should beat ourselves. And second is the technology, that he also highlighted that technology is not wrong. It's the student who use it in the wrong way. So yeah, it was.
No, it's not wrong. They will find that if they are not what they did not fulfill in their life, they want us to fulfill that. And